St. Joseph's in Boston. So here's how I'm gonna do this, man. I'm gonna try to walk kind of into the phone. And so, hey, it is what it is, but we gotta go to mass. That's a mortal sin. If you don't go to mass and you die like that, you go to hell. You need to go to confession. The early Christians risked dying going to mass. So they would have these masses in the catacombs, in the tombs. Alright, on my way to mass, just took a little breather. Walking up these hills, man, is kind of hectic, but it's all good though. Yeah, just gotta go right there. The church is right over there. See there, right there, man. That's there. Yeah.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, my brothers and sisters, behold the Lamb of God, Jesus Christ, who takes away the sins of the world. Let us both invite them and suffer of the Lamb.
Lord, I'm not worthy, straight out of my room. Let me say the words, my soul shall be healed. Just got a cup of coffee here, and I want to thank all the Christian people and all the Catholic people that's helped me out. It is Lord's Day, Sunday, and it's a windy day.